everybody, happy Sunday. We are hosting our first open house here. We are in the Siena subdivision and Pelican Preserve. Now, Pelican Preserve is one of my absolute favorite communities here in Southwest Florida. With about 2,500 people in this community, it has every single resort style amenity that you can think of compared to, you've got a resort style community pool, you've got indoor lap pool, outdoor lap pool. They have an indoor walking lane above the lap pool inside. You've got a huge exercise room. There is a couple of restaurants here. You have a spa on site. They have a huge amphitheater area, outdoor amphitheater area that they go ahead and do lots of events at. They have, library. You guys, there's just so much in here. Aside from that, most of the folks in here are so lovely. We're standing here today. This is a first floor unit. Again, we are in the Siena subdivision. It's the first community as you come into the community. It's close to the amenities, close to the entrance. She is ready, as you can see here. Adorable first floor unit. We are the second lowest right now in the community as far as asking price. We're asking $241,000. This is a wonderful floor plan here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna give you guys a tour. Welcome to Siena. So you do have a carport. You have lots of guest parking. These are considered the terrace model condos, which are 4 stories high. You do have an exterior storage area, which you can find right here. There's also a common elevator. As you come in, you're greeted by a lovely little entryway area here. Completely open floor plan. It is a split bedroom floor plan as well. Nice sized pantry here. Ground molding. You have tile in the wet areas. You do have carpet in the bedrooms as well as in the living room. Some of the furniture pieces can stay. You have a very peaceful view here. In Pelican Preserve, there is a lot of wildlife that you can see here between, alligators, and people have seen deer, and just all sorts between the preserve area as well as the lake views. So a lot of people love that about Pelican Preserve. Just so peaceful, guys. Decent sized lanai here. You do have, this door here does go into the master. So you do have access to your lanai. So much room to work with. You do have hurricane impact windows and doors. Here's the master. Just take in all the light that's in here. This is a south exposure, so obviously right now we are looking at 1 o'clock and you can just see the natural sunlight that comes in here on the back end of the property. Nice walk-in closet here. And she does have a shower, no tub. I do have some drawers, which are always nice. Pocket door here for the bathroom. We're over 1,200 square foot for this floor plan. And again, guys, asking only $241,000. So come on in. We are ready. You do have a washer and dryer here in unit, and there is some extra room in here. You've obviously got extra cabinet space, which is really nice. And then you do have your HVAC and your water heater in the laundry room. One of the nice things here is that you do have a decent sized guest bathroom. Obviously you have the glass enclosure here on the tub and shower combo, and there's also a pantry, which is really nice. I mean, a lot of the condo life, as many probably know, condo life, you may be missing some extra storage space, and it's really important to have that. So again, we're here today 1 to 4 o'clock. If you're interested in scheduling a private showing, please let me know. Address is in the comments, guys. Thanks so much.